Brittany, t'es la bienvenue ici à Paris, avec Jay bien sûr, et on espère de vous revoir une autre fois à Paris. Welcome to Paris, girls!
Hey guys, we are headed to the airport. I started to vlog in the house, however, y'all know I be last minute late, you know what I'm saying? So this is what you're gonna get. So let's talk about something. Our dear lovely friend asked us to bring a suitcase back full of stuff for her. Why does that suitcase weigh more than me? I'm just really trying to figure out how is this about to get shipped and I'm not paying no extra money. So when they tell us how much this is, we just gonna have to throw her some of her stuff away and she wants stuff. I'm just saying, she out there packing hamburger helper, Red Lobster biscuits, seasonings, talking about grits. She talking, they don't have this. Okay, first of all, can we just take what they have over there and just deal with that? I'm just saying, you need to be more cultural anyway.
And my friend wanted us to bring us some stuff back. But this suitcase is 67 pounds. And this one is 37. So we gotta switch.
33, that one 33.
So we gotta switch all this stuff and be embarrassed in front of the damn airport. Like, what the fuck?
Hamburger helper.
I can understand the shoes and stuff.
Really?
She got a damn mannequin head, hamburger helper.
Come on.
Soup cans and shit. Relax and get some sleep.
Alright, get ready for this 8-hour flight. I'm gonna pan it around so we can actually see. This is just like 1/4 of the flight. It's about 4 seconds, 3 rows. Okay, we just landed in Paris. We're about to try to take the train to go see the Eiffel Tower, get a couple photos, stop by a couple cafes, you know, really just pretty much explore the city while we're here, take advantage of every moment and try to get into a few things.
And they have Barbès. I don't know if you're going to Barbès. Barbès is in Paris, but is be careful in Barbès.
We're only going to the Eiffel Tower.
Ah yes, okay. Eiffel Tower is good. No problem. Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
But careful. In Paris,
Everywhere,
be careful.
Yeah. When in Paris, do as Parisians, huh? Hi guys, we're now in Paris. We have the Eiffel Tower behind us. We're trying to get to a higher location to take some better pictures. We was gonna go up the Eiffel Tower, but then we changed our mind and said something wrong with the cables or something up there, so you know what, we good on that. Anyway, shoot. I'll insert the pictures in the vlog, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, we finally made it up here. Can't you see it? Isn't it beautiful? So I'm just gonna take a couple pictures and we're gonna go on to the Love Bridge and try to do as much as we can before we head back home. What's that over there? What's that?
Museum
Orsay.
Orsay.
Okay.
This is River Seine, you know.
divide this river.
Oh, river.
Yeah.
It divides what?
Yeah, divides Paris on South Paris and North Paris, you know?
Okay. Oh, it divides it.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative.
No, it's not. It's
Gets
gross.
the people going.
Ah, la roba che faccio, ti piace la rima che parte? Il cazzo me lo tiene in braccio, tua madre me lo succhia forte, tuo padre è un po' più grande, peccato non è le mutande, ci penso io a colmare all'istante, il mio flow ti vede piccolo per queste pose, se non sai cosa fare ti vedo ridicoloser, per fratelli continui a fare il bad boy, fai consegne per 50 cent ti trasformi in lick boy, se nasci licky boy, crash licky boy. But you know.
Okay, guys, we are at the Lovelock Bridge, and I just put a lockdown with my family's name, me, my fiance, and my kids, and it is right there.
Okay, so we made it to the Lovelock Bridge, and I just pushed my lockdown. My goofy.
A colmare all'istante, il mio flow ti vede piccolo per queste pose, se non sai cosa fare ti vedo ridicoloser, coi fratelli continui a fare il bad boy, fai consegne per 50 cent ti trasformi in licky boy, se nasci licky boy, crash licky boy, dandoti gusto rimani licky boy, se nasci licky boy, crash licky boy, dandoti gusto rimani licky boy.
Oh, Sephora. Look, it's a whole toothpaste store.
Oh, peaches and cream.
It's a whole toothpaste store.